Namaste, my dear friends. Welcome back to Wisdom Sharing and welcome back to the channel. Well, today it's a beautiful day. Every day is beautiful when you see the beauty in it. And today I want to touch a topic to one of the questions which was asked to me by one of our old followers from, I think, Shroom Slip. And the question came about mushrooms. So, as you know, here on this channel, you get a lot of information about Amanita Muscaria and spiritual development. But at the same time, if you checked our website and shop, amanitaacademy.com, then you will see that we're not only offering Amanita, but we're also offering other mushrooms as lion's mane, Reishi, Cordyceps, Chaga. So, and these mushrooms are also very special. Every mushroom, it's like a human being, like a specialist. Imagine that when you're coming to a hospital, you have different doctors, depending which expertise you need. Amanita, it's like the main expert, which kind of can handle many of the problems, the questions, because it focuses us on the soul, and our soul can heal everything. But there are also other specialists and other mushrooms which are, I would say, very focused specialists in those or those questions. For example, let's speak about lion's mane. Lion's mane, it's a very super great mushroom, and it helps especially when you have the task for development of your mind, development of your memory, development of any type of thinking, mental processes or work, as it helps to grow literally the brain cells back. So it's, if that's correctly in English, a nanotrop. It's a special type of an element that helps for us to get a boost of energy, and yet at the same time it helps to regenerate the brain cells in the head. So if you're learning a new language, or you're right now studying, or you have many tasks that you need to do and fulfill, and you feel that the capacity of your brain is right now not handling it, lion's mane can be a very good friend in it. And lion's mane, for example, we would take it more than we would take Amanita. A lion's mane, I would say, microdose would be 1, 2, up to 3 grams a day. If you take 2 or 3, you will see a very such big boost of energy and quick flow of thoughts. And that is also wonderful and beautiful. So if any of your close ones has problem with Alzheimer, or they're getting dementia, lion's mane can help profoundly in this question. So you will take, for example, reishi, turkey tail. It has very good healing components and elements for the body. So if you know that you have issues connected with your physical body that you want to heal, then those mushrooms can assist you even more. Like every mushroom, actually, if that's interesting, I can prepare special separate videos about every mushroom and about how to work with it, how to take it in, what are the benefits which you get from this mushroom, what is the effect, and eventually how do, let's say, they work in a physical, mental, and emotional way. So I'll share maybe a little bit more deeper details. It's interesting, like Cordyceps. Like Cordyceps, it's a mushroom that you should know that has a lot of varieties. For example, we're selling the military Cordyceps, which gives you a big boost of energy, of clarity, but especially physical, such awakening. As eventually Cordyceps, it's a very ancient mushroom, and the most interesting type of Cordyceps that we know that exists, it lies in the Himalaya mountains in India. So by the Tibetan monks, there was the tradition that this one mushroom can heal from everything. By using this mushroom, you can get all of the elements that you need from healing from any disease. So of that reason, maybe you don't know, maybe you have heard, but For example, the golden Cordyceps from the Himalaya mountains is the rarest type of mushroom that you can find and is the most expensive mushroom. What does it mean? The 1 gram of golden Cordyceps, the real one, it is being sold for over $100 per gram. So what does it mean? That 1 kilo of such mushrooms costs $100,000 if you get it inside of a big city. And on top of that, you have a 99% chance that it will be fake, as throughout the year there is produced about 50 tons of golden Cordyceps, but the real one is only 500 kilos. So as it grows in the Himalaya mountains, it takes huge amount of work of people finding it and people going there with their families for 1-2 months to gather it. And this, for example, mushroom has golden Cordyceps. So if the military Cordyceps gives you physical body healing energy, then the golden Cordyceps, it gives even more, because inside of it, as it grows in the mountains, it has gathered a lot of minerals. So you can grow Cordyceps, how they're making 99% of Cordyceps, that they simply grow it in a lab. And in the lab, the mushroom doesn't gather, let's say, the minerals and everything from around. But the golden one, so it even gathered the rare metals. So you can literally find organic gold in the cardipill. Because Cordyceps, it's a specific mushroom that lives on cardipills, and when spring comes, it pushes the cardipill, the worm, to the top of the land, of the ground, and just maybe 1 centimeter before reaching the top, it kills and transforms the cardipill into a mycelium, and it starts to grow, and a small part comes out, which is very hard to notice. So, as a result, for example, this type of mushroom, it's even under the government protection of China. So, if you have noticed that China is winning all of the Olympic Games in collective sports, why? Because they feed their sportsmen this Cordyceps. And it's so interesting that for a grown-up man, per year you need like 8 to 10 grams. And they literally feed 1 gram of golden Cordyceps to their sportsmen every day before the Olympics. So when the Olympics come, they would be in a superhuman form and would be very nicely synchronized all together, because they work with one mushroom. So there are different stories connected with other mushrooms. For example, Chaga. Chaga, it's a very interesting mushroom that mostly grows on birch trees. And it has such an strong cleansing properties that only by drinking this tea, you can just clean yourself from so many things that, that I think I will even make comparisons and go to the details to show you how effective it is. But chaga, it grows if you have birch trees in your forest. You can go and gather chaga, and then afterwards just keep it, cut it, and make tea from it. So please, do let me know, does this information sound interesting for you, and would you like to discover more details about it? So you would know, we continue to make updates on our shop and providing the highest quality of mushrooms and the cleanest that it is possible. And eventually, there are so many interesting stories connected with different mushrooms that I will with joy make something even more deeper. But for that, I need your feedback. Please let me know. Write me the mushrooms you want to find out. And at the same time, if you want, you can write down the issues or the topics that you want to heal, transform, with the request which type of mushroom is best of all to use. Just remember, mushrooms, it's the pharmaceutical kit from nature. Mushrooms have inside already all of the elements towards our questions about health that we're researching. Our ancestors knew that. 20th century, we kind of lost it, and we transformed that wisdom into a chemical compound. But it remains that the compound and the elements, they come from the nature, and by using it, you can, in a lot more synchronicity, a lot more smoother, without no addictions or fallout of energy or whatsoever, get your results. And this is what I inspire you. Always to know that the true healing happens inside of you and it's connected with your soul. And once you heal your soul, your body will follow. Synchronize in harmony with who you truly are. Stop betraying yourself and do that what is right for you, for your soul, for your body, for your reality. As always, remember, we live in a collective world, but we came here alone and we're going to go away from here also alone. And we carry responsibility only for ourselves and the things that we have taken upon ourselves. So be wise in choosing what you carry. And remember that the most important thing, first of all, take care of your soul, take care of your life, take care of how you feel inside. And then the true magic will unfold in a magical way. The one that is so hard to explain and so enjoyable to experience. Namaste, my dear friends, and thank you very much, brother, for the question.